I just love playing with my toy train.
Surprise! Surprise!
Oh, the McDonald's Chicken McNugget Happy Meal, guys.
All aboard! With regular fries and regular soft drinks.
You guys are always on the right track.
All aboard!
When you buy McDonald's Little Engineer's Happy Meal, you get one of 5 different train engines that all hook together.
Where to, ma'am? McDonald's?
McDonald's Little Engineer's Happy Meal. You can collect all 5.
That cool, refreshing feeling of Wrigley's spearmint gum puts a sparkle in your eye, a spring in your step, and makes things lots of fun.
It's that little lift from Wrigley's spearmint gum. It's that little lift. Come on and get you some.
That clean, fresh taste Wrigley's spearmint's got. That little lift that means a lot.